go.
Buckled?
Yes.
All right. I'm good. Need some tires after today.
Track is hot. Track is hot.
This light basically stays yellow the whole way around.
On the side of the track control light.
Yeah.
I don't know that I want to put the X this side or sideways. She's a big girl.
When I had the X out here, it was impressive, honestly.
Was it the sport tires or the 20s?
Both.
Oh, okay.
The 22s are a little better, though.
Well, that's what they're built for.
Yeah. They actually held up better, too.
Yeah.
Just trying to, stay on the fine line of traction control so it's not cutting all the power. Straighten this one up. Oh, no, it doesn't in the corner. I'm still floored.
Wow. Let it pick the slow group.
And we'll just floor it, and there it goes. I feel like I'm communicating to the accelerator by mail. Email and sending an email. Hey, I want to go.
Let me think about it. All right. Oh man, I should have gone back here so you can see the speed.
Ooh, brake pedals. Probably no good for the brake side. It's the ESP's engaged half the time we're going on the track.
You know it. There's that one guy who had to change his brakes after his first time on the track.
Yeah. Thankfully, this course is not as hard on brakes as that one is.
What was that, Laguna Seca?
Laguna Seca is real rough for brakes.
Oh, yeah.
This one just goes and goes and goes and
Yeah.
goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. Oh, hey, we're at the end. You know?
Oh, I should have done that that mode where gives you the G's and the speed and stuff.
Oh, does that?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be cool.
You need to have your phone on to do it, and I forgot to do that part. Maybe on one of the next ones.
I don't know if you can see my foot, but it's been down the whole time. See, it's down still.
Yeah, see.
I'm pretty sure you could do this whole track without letting your foot off if you were playing with the system just right.
Yeah. I feel it trying to help there.
Yeah.
They call you?
I can't. Yeah. So it's hey, how's it going?
Hang on, let me
I
take
should've
this
picked
turn
it
number
up.
2.
It would have been great if it was a spam call.
And this is rear-wheel drive or sport?
Rear wheel drive.
All right.
Long range rear. Nothing fancy.
You already got that update with the boost or no?
No. Comes out, I think, in 2 weeks.
All right.
I don't have Dodge or Sentry mode yet.
Me neither.
Yeah. This is lagging behind, I feel like.
I'm on 49.20.
I think I'm on 50.8.
I'm trying to get it at least to that if they don't want to
I
bump me
think
up
they
this year.
stop rollout briefly.
Yeah, but 40,
And then you're just going to get bumped on the new one when they push it out.
I'm fine with that, but 49.20, man, the two screens, they'll just lock up independently, and it's a pain. Because sometimes you have to manually reset it, and other times they reset on their own.
Oh, in the X. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Because I'm running your computer, because mine's a late X.
Yeah, the new X and S that run on the Intel run completely differently from the old one. The old one had 2 separate computers.
It did, yeah, and you could reboot them separately.
Yeah, this one's a monitor to that computer, basically.
It is. And I don't think they really tested too much for that.
No, well, I remember driving one with no screen here for like... drove it to the Charlotte store. I had to go back to the Raleigh store and it just wouldn't come on, so I just drove all the way back.
On the old one or the new one?
On the new one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove all the way back with no speedometer. But autopilot works, so I just had on autopilot.
There you go.
For the best.
That's what I had on. So this morning, the Binnacle computer reset. Or not computer, but screen reset. Mm-hmm. And then, was it Thursday or Friday, the main screen reset itself. Should have a charge by the time the slow group comes up again.
Yeah.
We came in at 48%.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. They will, they chew, I mean, kind of efficient, not too quick today, so.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I didn't want to be late. so we didn't have too much time at Rocky Mount. It didn't feel like we slowed down too much, but I think what it was is we had a lot of people who were going like 10 and 15 under the speed limit. And, and I guess the nav assumes I'll do 10 over or 5 over on 10.
It must. Try not to push on them, but I want the GoPro up front to have a cool video for them.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
I'm sure my drone shot's terrible. So far, the only practice I've had with it is stationary targets.
Yeah.
Or slow
tracking a car is really different because you can't go as fast as them.
Right.
So it's sort of like do you go against them, with them? How do you get from A to B to get ready for the next one? When we played with the drone here, I think the first day we did it, we were like, oh wow, this is useless. And then like the next couple of times you're like, all right, get an idea of like, you got to have the drone pretty low, otherwise it looks really slow or something like that.
Is that mine beeping or?
I don't know. It was probably GoPro.
Oh, the GoPro. This one's not even on. The interior one? I guess they don't want that. Stand right up.
Okay, that's fine. I don't think they're looking in their mirror. So.
Oh, that might be it too. So my rear fog lights are just your guys' brake lights.
Yeah. Or blinkers.
The blinkers are
same unit on the 3. Same.
Or your blinkers, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, on the X, it's the same one, but it goes orange. Your rear fog's separate.
My rear fogs are the same as your blinkers, yeah.
These have a rear fog, I think.
They do? It probably works the same as mine.
It's disabled in software. I think it's only
Europe? Or wherever you need it by law?
Europe.
I'm glad they left it on the X. And the amper turn signal's like, you cannot stand a red blinker.
So that's the thing that drives me nuts about this car, is I don't like having red turn signals. It's just a thing.
If they use the same module for Europe, then maybe we can find a hack to it.
That's my hope.
You
can take the European Model S taillights and just click them in, and they work.
All right.
Model S.
Yeah.
So, but I think now they're just building one unit that does everything.
Yeah.
So I wonder if there's a way to do it without dealing with firmware.
Or just the firmware to the lights.
Yeah, I think you might have. I would hope I could rewire it instead of dealing with firmware itself, because I can't change that. They won't let me. Yeah, those Model S taillights, both sections of it, they have incredible amount of circuitry underneath them. Yeah, one of them has a charge port in it too.
Well, that one too. But I mean, just like the one on the trunk, the hatch. Mm-hmm. I was like, it had like a fist-sized circuit board. Like, what's that for? Oh, no, that could have been bad.
Oh no, they're high enough. It feels low though. At 12 feet, it looks like you're going to hit still.
Yes.
And the X is weird because you see it all the way over. So
All the way over.
Oh boy. We'll see if we can
Get around them.
a chance.
So when they send us the footage, are we allowed to put that on our YouTube, or is that proprietary?
Doing the drag race thing again. Okay. He must have a dual motor.
Maybe. Well, the way he walked away from you, probably.
Yeah. Mine came off near the end, but like that one looks just a touch faster.
Yeah.
Or he's got a higher level of charge. You could, if he's at 90%, that would be enough to make up that difference. This car, I'm sure, is very high. Everything balanced. This is a good pace for brakes, though. I haven't really had to touch them.
It's not bad.
It's all regen so far.
So you got the full self-drive? You got the full self-drive?
I have autopilot, but I do get full self-driving for $2,000.
Yes.
With that, but I haven't bought it yet.
Oh, okay.
I'll just buy it when it's not going to get more expensive again, so I'll just buy it.
We hope.
Well, we'll see. I'll just buy it when it happens. Or I don't know if I'll have this car by the time self-driving happens. I really need a performance car all of a sudden.
Right?
We're going to go for one hot lap while we wait for the passengers to cross.
I guess this whole last, 4 laps was a goal. Oh, I wonder if I can get autopilot to activate.
It's
I
trying.
want to try this. Okay, I bet when I go straight it might straighten up.
At the very least, it's recognized the roads are crossed.
Oh, I almost had it. Oh, I almost had autopilot.
Oh, it blinked for a second?
I saw the thing and I didn't hit it. Okay, here we go. Autopilot. Oh, come on.
Here's how it would do.
Yeah, it probably would be weird.
Just walk around the track.
In the middle of what it thinks is a line? No, I think it's figured it out. I think it realized it's not gonna.
Let me check with the GPS. This isn't a road.
It's like, hang on a minute. I know what they're up to. Oh, I saw the steering wheel just briefly again.
Ben's coming off and that's everybody.
Yeah, I knew what that meant totally.
What they say?